Picture this, it's the year 2030. You jump out of bed, your robot barista has your coffee ready, you log in for work, and your teammate is chilling on a beach miles away. Oh, and your boss, it's an AI calling the shots. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But the future of work is transforming right before our eyes. In this video, we're breaking down 3 game-changing skills to keep you ahead in 2030. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about those uniquely human superpowers that even the smartest AI can't replicate. Soft skills. As tech gets crazier, there's one thing that'll always set us apart. Our ability to connect with other humans. I'm talking communication, adaptability, empathy. These are your secret weapons in the future job market. Communication. And I don't just mean texting memes to your friends. Can you explain complex ideas clearly? Are you an active listener, actually absorbing what others are saying instead of just waiting for your turn to talk? Strong communicators build the best relationships and solve problems like it's nothing. Then there's adaptability. Probably the most underrated skill out there. We live in a world where everything's changing at warp speed. New tech, new trends, new ways of working. If you can adapt, embrace change, and roll with the punches, you're already ahead of the game. Remember the whole world flipping to remote work? The people who thrived weren't necessarily the tech whizzes. They were the ones who could adapt their workflow and communication style on the fly. Think about Maya, high school student. Pandemic hits, and suddenly everything's virtual. While everyone else is freaking out, Maya steps up. She masters online communication, organizes virtual group projects, keeps everyone motivated, basically becomes the go-to leader. Fast forward to today. And guess what? Maya's running a global tech team because that adaptability, that's gold. These soft skills aren't just some nice bonus anymore, they're non-negotiable. They're what make us human in a world that's becoming increasingly digital. Okay, let's talk tech. You don't need to be a coding ninja. Relax. Understanding tech basics is your ticket to the future. AI, automation, digital tools. They're everywhere. Knowing how to use them is a superpower. First up, coding. It's not rocket science. Start small. Learn basic HTML, dabble in Python, or try visual programming platforms. These tools teach logical thinking and problem solving. Next up, data literacy. Data is everywhere. It's how companies make decisions, spot trends, understand customers. Data's only useful if you can read it. Understanding spreadsheets and graphs is a valuable skill. Let me tell you about Jake. He downloaded a coding app. He built a website for his aunt's bakery. Then he managed her online orders and tracked sales data. What started as a hobby turned into a side hustle. Finally, critical thinking. It's about analyzing info and solving problems creatively. When robots do routine tasks, humans who think critically will be in high demand. Chapter 3. The skill of learning itself. This one might seem a little meta, but in a world that's constantly evolving, the most important skill you can have is knowing how to learn. The future is all about adapting to new info, picking up new skills quickly, and always staying curious. You don't need to be a learning machine, cramming information 24/7. It's about building habits and systems that make learning a natural part of your life. One of my favorite tricks is micro-learning. It's exactly what it sounds like, breaking down big, intimidating topics into small, bite-sized pieces. Let's say you want to learn graphic design. Instead of trying to become the next Picasso overnight, spend 5 minutes every morning watching a YouTube tutorial or playing around on Canva. Consistency over intensity, people. Learning isn't just about textbooks and online courses. Read books, listen to podcasts, follow experts on social media, experiment with new tools. Be curious about the world around you. Take Alex, for example. Alex wants to get into digital marketing, but instead of waiting for a college course, they start learning on their own. By the time graduation rolls around, they've got a portfolio of projects and are already doing freelance gigs. That's the power of being a self-directed learner. So there you have it, folks, the 3 skill sets that'll not only future-proof your career, but also turn you into an all-around awesome human soft skills, tech skills, and the meta skill of learning how to learn. Remember, you don't need to master everything overnight. Pick one thing, start small, be consistent, and enjoy the process. The future is all about being adaptable, curious, and always pushing yourself to grow. Which skill are you most excited to level up? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to navigate this crazy, ever-changing world. Peace out.